Notably, the Redmi Note 7 is the first Note device from Xiaomi to come with water drop notch display which is circular in fashion. The Redmi Note 7 is the first phone launched under the Redmi brand. Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun has announced that from now on Redmi will function as a separate brand from Mi. Jun also announced that all the phones launching under the Redmi brand will be affordably priced and focus on online sales. On the other hand, the Mi, or Xiaomi brand will focus on launching mid and high-end or flagship phones.